Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is going to be your daily reading, Libras. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, there's an angel card. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, guys. Um, the energy I'm getting from these cards are like there's some kind of hurt. Okay, you're feeling broken in your relationship. You feel you're heading towards a breakup. Okay, maybe, um, or there may be some kind of fight or some conflicts in your relationship. Okay, this may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. But you feel this way. That's what I feel here. And but there's no need to worry, guys. Okay, with love and what to say, by controlling the emotions. Okay, by thinking over clearly what to speak and listening to others before reacting, guys, before spontaneously reacting. Okay, so instead of spontaneously reacting to any situation, guys, we need to think before we speak our words. Okay, and we have to listen to the other people's opinion also. Once we do that, okay, we find a balance, and it will be beneficial for all of us, to both the parties in the long run. Okay, instead of straight away showing the anger, you can clearly talk, think and talk to your person, make them understand of the situation. Okay, guys, so that is the energy I'm getting here. And if you're passionate about something, if you want to do something, you have to do it, guys. You have to I believe you have to start doing it, even in a small way. If you want to help others, or you want to pursue some hobby, whatever it is, okay, which gives you some purpose, some peace of mind. Okay, you need to do that. You'll be inclined to do that. Any kind of activity, if you want to do that, you have to pursue that. It will bring great joy, and it will give direction and bring hope to your life, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out 3 cards for your love reading, guys. Willingness, vision, satisfaction. Okay, guys, with these cards I feel you can get satisfaction when you are happy for your actions. Okay, uh, no need for you to expect others to validate your actions, to appreciate it. But when you know in your heart of hearts, okay, you have done the right thing and you feel good about it, you feel satisfied, guys. You don't have to expect others to be happy about what you have done. Okay, when you expect others to validate your action, you won't get satisfied. Okay, but when you do the actions based on your energy, based on the belief that you're doing it right, okay, whatever you're doing it right, you feel really satisfied. And vision, you will have a clear view of how your life has to be, guys. Okay, you will know what you have to do. Okay, and maybe you're a very creative person or you're dealing with a creative person, guys. That's what I feel here with this card. And willingness is the ability for us to accept things that we cannot change and the things we can change, guys. Okay, all we can do is we can change ourselves. Okay, we can transform ourselves to become better, knowledgeable person. Okay, when we do that, when we accept others as they are, and at the same time when we know our strength and our characters and our heart, how we are in our heart of hearts, okay, we accept willingly the person whom we are with us, okay, with our family, friends, whoever they are, when we accept for whatever they are, okay, it just releases this harmonious feeling, guys. Okay, it brings about this acceptance. When we do that, we feel great joy, guys. We understand what is the situation. Okay, so this is the energy I'm getting. Let me pick 3 cards for your message from your person, guys. This is what your person feels about you or what you feel about your person. We can spend hours doing nothing than talking. Okay, you care and comfort me when I'm in a bad mood. You laugh at my jokes even when they are not funny. Okay, guys, so this is the energy for you, how you feel about your person or how your person feels about you. Okay, they feel you comfort them when they are sad. Okay, and they can spend hours together with you without getting bored, guys. Okay, and you laugh at their jokes even when they are not funny. You have a great understanding, guys. That's what I feel here. But you need to work on your emotions, guys. You have to check your emotions. Okay, don't spontaneously react. You have to think for yourself. Okay, and you have to clearly see what you want to achieve and accept things as they are. Okay, when you do that, you will feel really happy and you will feel satisfied once you do not expect others validation, guys. You do not expect others to appreciate you. You do what you feel is right. Okay, what you feel is good. That way you will really feel satisfied. Okay, truthful to your heart, and you will feel really good, guys. This is energy I'm getting for you, Libras. Maybe you're dealing with the Gemini. I feel some of you may be dealing with the Gemini, guys. So this is all for today, Libras. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye, guys.